Hi everyone, welcome to episode 11 of my live trading series using a paper account. I've been away for a few months. I haven't been able to film the options trading live, but here I am. I'm going to try to build it up again. Hopefully I can do one a month or one every other month for the options viewers or the options investors that are interested. Just breaking down what I'm doing. I'm trying to recreate the wheel strategy or just an options trading strategy with the paper account on Interactive Brokers using 25,000 US. I started in January. This is part one, the wheel strategy, selling options, 25,000 US. Using Interactive Brokers, their paper trading account, my live trading, it's not in Canada anymore. I could talk about that a little later, but these are the rules. Only selling, not buying. I might buy. Only US market because you can make more money. Different strategies for each trade. It's boring if I just do cash secured puts for everyone. I want people to learn on this. I'm trying to do the Tastytrade way. So 45 days to expiration. I modified this a little. They say 50% profit, but that's too soon. I'm going to aim at least 1.5% a month to try to double the market or just beat the market. Doing an overview of what I have currently, I only have AMD shares. I have 100, so I got assigned when I sold a cash secured put on AMD. My cost is 145. Right now it's 158 or like 159. So in the past month it's gone up $32. So I was losing money. Now I'm pretty much in the money. What I'm going to do is try to lose the shares. So I want to sell an option. I want to sell a call option 45 days out close to the money. And then I'll try to hopefully I can make like 4% on this. So let's say I do AMD, AMD. I want it on the NASDAQ. I'll do the options. Oh, show me the chain, come on. And then here they show you the number of days out. So I will do 42 days and then I will sell, like usually I focus on the delta. I'm not looking at that right now. I want to lose the shares and get called away, but look at this. If I sell pretty much at the money, sell, make sure don't go blue because that's buying, go red because that's selling. Interactive Broker is not that intuitive again. So this is $10. So 10 divided by 158. So this is 6.3%, but if I just do this over a month, it's around 4.2% because I'm doing around 45 days. The goal is to lose the shares, get these called away. I want to be mainly in cash. My break even is 170, but I'm going to keep it. Probability of profit 65%. So I guess that means, what does that mean? 35 delta? All right. You can view the chart. You can check the delta if you want. I don't use this too much. So let us close this out. What I usually like to do, let's just do market. I don't think the paper trading account accepts limit orders. I think it only accepts market orders. But let's see what it looks like. Order has been filled right away. Perfect. And we could see what it looks like. Go away. Trade, orders and trades. Where's my position? So here, would I be able to group it together? Let's take a look at my positions. Close all positions? No, I guess not. So it is a covered call. I have 100 shares. That means I'm forced to sell my 100 shares to someone at 160 if it hits that price at least, which I hope it does. So I can make 1,300 US on the shares and then another 1,000 on the call. And then I want the cash to go and sell, I guess, cash secured puts. So what I'm going to do is sell a cash secured put on NVIDIA. I do think it'll drop. Just because it's gone up too much in the last month. Right now it's worth $4 trillion. Let's see NVIDIA stock. 4.2 trillion. I don't know what's happened in the last 6 months. Let's say year to date, 24%. The US politicians know something. So from the tariffs to today, 82%. Does it make sense? No. Am I going to trade it? Yes, because it's fun. I'm going to aim for a few percentage points on this. Let's go. Oh, should I do Tesla? I think I'm going to do Tesla on, I should probably do Tesla now because I'm doing AMD. I already have AMD, so doing two semiconductors might not be interesting for people in this video. Let's just do Tesla. Why? This seems pretty slow. Options chain. Let's look at Tesla. So these are after the tariffs. I'm not sure what happened here. I'm wondering if we can go 15% out of the money. We won't be able to do 275 or 270, which is like the resistance here. Again, this isn't science. This is mainly, this is voodoo that we use. So if we do 42 days, how much would I be able to earn on the resistance point? It's probably not that much. If I sell 480 at 275, what does that mean? 480 divided by 275. No, 4.8. Sorry, 4.8 divided by 275. That's that's such a small percentage. 1.5%, 1.7%. Is that worth it? I'm gonna go a little higher because I wanna make a little more money. Not ideal, you probably shouldn't be doing this. Can I edit this to show me, I want it to show me my delta. How come I lost my settings? I lost my settings, but if I do the 910 of 295, 9.1 divided by 295, 3%, that's a little better. Let's see what this looks like in terms of delta. 24, I usually aim for 20 to 25, so this fits right in. Probability of profit, 78%. We'll own the shares if it drops, and we could turn around and sell the wheel. I'll be making $925 on this, and that's using, I might be using a little too much buying power, right? So it's taking into account like 29,000 of around the 50 that I have. So 50%, that is using a little too much, but I'm going to do it. Again, we have to do market because it's a paper trading account. Order has been filled. Let's take a look at that. Now I might have, let's take a look at the portfolio. Settled cash of 31,000. I would need this. So right now I have 31,000 in cash. I would need more just to take in, because this is 200, this is 29,500. So I won't be able to get assigned. If this drops, because you see here, I have 31,000 Canadian, but I need 29,500 US. 29,500 times 1.35, so I need 39,000 Canadian. This would only work if I lose the shares here. So if I sell this, I'd get it back around 16,000 US. It would give me enough cash to cover. So I'd have to monitor this closely. I can't just let this ride. So let's say my total portfolio of 31,000 cash, but how much am I worth in total? Dashboard, show me something. 50,000 CAD. So let's say I made 1,000 on the AMD, 900 on the Tesla. Again, these aren't closed positions, but this is how much I made. Times 1.35 divided by 51,000 CAD. So I just made 5% of my portfolio on this, on these two trades. Granted, everything can change if this drops and I'm forced to close it. The ideal scenario is Tesla drops and then I own the shares, but AMD goes up and I lose the shares and I get the cash. It gives me more freedom. I think the market is too frothy right now. The S&P 500 is at all-time highs. It's up 7% for the year, which is not bad. But again, I don't think it should be at these levels. I feel like it's being artificially pumped, but what do I know? I've been wrong for the last few years. I didn't think Tesla, I didn't think SPY should be at 500, let alone 550, and then now it's at 6 something. I don't have any excess buying power. I don't feel comfortable allocating too much to this. Next time, if I'm able to settle and close these, I'll be doing SPY credit spreads. So I show you something a little more. It uses less buying power. I probably do like 5 strikes wide and 5 contracts. So it uses 2,500 in buying power, and then that would be my max loss. Right now, my max loss on the Tesla puts is 29,500 minus what I earned here. Because this can go to 0, I don't think it's going to go to 0. That's why I'm doing it. And that's why probably people have been trading and making money on this for a long time. Please click the link for the Interactive Brokers. I get a little kickback just from clicking, not if you sign up. Let me know if you want something else from this options trading series or if you're interested at all. people haven't been watching my options videos. That's why I don't post them anymore. Like this was 9,000. Okay, not bad. I didn't realize it was that much. How many people watch this one? This is, I don't like looking at my face. This is 2,000. Okay, so maybe I should be posting it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and tune into the next one.